السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. داوديال dhegeystayaal meel kastoo aad nagala socotaan waa raadiyo kartoon iyo anigoo wariye raasa. ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba bikum. saacada Afrikada bari waxa ay tilmaamaysaa 9 subaxnimo oo gow ah. barnaamijkuna waa barnaamijkii xisaab badnaa ee waraysiga siyaasiyiinta oo aan ku waraysan doono wasiirka arrimaha dibadda dalka Kenya waa Monica Choma oo bariyahan arrinteedu ay geeska Afrika aad u galaabaxaysay. waxaan weydiin doonaa su'aalihii aad nooga barateen oo wadna qabadka ahaa ku soo dhawaada barnaamijka. Monica Choma, unasikia sindio?
Unasikia mzuri sana.
Okay, karibu sana. Hapo Radio Cartoon. Mimi naitwa Ras.
Okay, mimi najua Ras. Maneno mingi sana.
Sindio, watu wa Kenya amesema wariye Ras maneno yake mingi sana. Sindio? Monica Choma, thanks to contact or visit our Radio Cartoon. I'm Warrior Ras dealing with you. Also, I can speak some Kiswahili and little English. And I am maneno mingi sana. No matter. Let us start the interview. My first question. In this week, there was a big trouble and big issue between Somalia and Kenya. Some boards from IGAD sent from Djibouti. They visited 2 times in Kenya and 1 time to Mogadishu. They visit in Mandera and they saw Chanan. Some people saying they meet Chanan and his militias in Mandera. 99% sure because he was there and he can't hide his militias and weapons in Mandera. But they say we never seen Chanan, and they discovered a report in this week that they are saying there is no intervention from Kenya to Somalia, and Somalia refused that report. How you see as Kenya your side this report?
First of all, I think there is no trouble and no misunderstanding between Kenya and Somalia. The second, the IGAD boards come here in Kenya for to investigate this Somalia complaint. They visit everywhere that they think they can get information, even the population, even every department about this program. And they visit to Somalia, and they visit to the border, and they visit everyone and everywhere. But they can't find any proof and any information about what Firmacho says. And this is the Firmacho campaign, and everyone knows. So I think the IGAD report is one of the proof that the Firmacho he's the only one enemy in the region.
Okay, Monica Choma, the second question. Did you pay any amount of money, cash, for Djibouti?
What?
There is no answer. Call it what? My question is clear. The Djibouti says everything Monica Choma says. Monica Choma said. Monica Choma think. Monica Choma like. So that Somalia, they believe you pay big amount of cash, Kenya money. You think this how much money you paid for Djibouti?
This question is undiplomatic question.
Okay, go ahead. Somalia has an election few days later. What will happen if Farmacho comes again?
I don't think that Farmacho he can come again.
Kwa nini?
Sababu Farmacho ni mbaya sana. Sababu Farmacho ni enemy ya Kenya. Sababu Farmacho unataka kuchukua bahari ya Kenya. Sababu Farmacho unataka kufunga mira ya Kenya kuingia Mogadishu. Sababu Farmacho hapana nataka kila kitu kuna faida kwa Kenya.
Okay, Monica Choma, mimi naelewa watu wa Kenya sitaki Farmacho kabisa. lakini Farmacho sio raisi ya Kenya. Farmacho ni raisi ya Somalia. Watu wa Somalia yote unapenda Farmacho, unataka Farmacho. Sasa sababu gani Kenya unaweza toa Farmacho?
Kenya has many friends in Somalia.
Okay, which Somali diplomacy best friend for Kenya?
Sheikh Sharif is our choice.
Who is the second?
Hassan Ali Khaire.
Okay, what about Hassan Sheikh?
No. We never support Hassan Sheikh Mohamud.
Ahmed Madobe is not your first friend in Somalia?
No, Ahmed Madobe, yes, he's Kenya's friend, of course. And he's the number one connector Kenya to Somalia. Because he's a Jubaland state near the border and near the coastal area. But he's a small operator. He's not like President Somalia, president level. We're talking about different. So I think Ahmed Madobe, he's the base, but he's not the target.
Okay, what's the interest for Puntland state to stand with Kenya?
Because they want the prime minister.
Okay, is there any new relation between Kenya and Djibouti against Somalia?
Yes, of course, because they want to stop the Farmacho waves in the Horn of Africa.
Okay, Monica Choma, the last question. Your husband was advisor with the former Prime Minister Hassan Ali Khaire, and you are the first Kenyan diplomatic against the Somalia. How this can happen?
Because Somalia is a destroyed country. So everything can happen there.
Thank you, Monica Choma. Radio Cartoon. See you again. daawadayaal dhegeystayaal taasi waxay ahayd Monica Choma oo qori la daba taagan Soomaaliya waa Radio Cartoon anigoo Soomaali ayaa idin la socodsiinayay barnaamijkii maanta intaas ku egyahay waxaan idinka codsanaynaa inaad barnaamijka aad u share gareysaan oo subscribe ku qabataan waxaadna ka heli kartaan waa suuq Sawaaxili YouTube tan iyo inta barnaamij kala ku kulmi doona waxaan idinkaga tagayaa sidaas iyo nabadgelyo.